Hello YouTube, this is Evangelist Harold Peterson, and most times when you see me on this video, I'm talking to you about making Jesus Christ the Lord of your life, and talking to you about living right, and talking to you about making sure that your heart is right with Jesus and that you've repented of your sins. But today I want to come in a whole different aspect. A lot of you don't know it, but I'm actually a life insurance agent, and my specialty is life insurance for senior citizens. What I do is I make sure that when I go into a senior citizen's home, I make sure that they got the best burial policy or the best cremation policy. That's what I specialize in, is life insurance for the senior citizens or final expense. And I want to talk to you today about leaving a legacy behind. When you die, you don't want it to be said that he didn't care enough about his family or she didn't care enough about their family to take care of their final expense needs, but they left the burdens. You don't want to be that person, but you want to be the person that says, I loved my family enough that I took care of all the details beforehand. And that's where we come in as a life insurance specialist specializing in final expense. I can come in and help you pick out the best policy, to help you pick out the things and give you some information and give you some things to write what you want to happen at the time of your death. We got all of these things already done for you. You can just write it, fill in the blanks and say, I want to have this at my funeral, or that at my funeral, or this song sung, or that song sung. I want to do those kind of things. That's where we come in as your life insurance specialist that specializes in the end of life, that specializes in final expense. Do you know today that the average funeral will cost you about over $12,000 for a burial? My friend, you can take care of those things right now by taking out a life insurance policy. You can go ahead and prepare for those things, that when you begin to pay for your life insurance policy monthly, you can say, you know what, I love my family enough that I don't want that burden on them. I don't want them to have to be taking the time right now to worry about how they're going to pay for the mortgage or how they're going to pay for my funeral and all of those different end of time or end final expense things in my life. I want to do the right thing. I want to show my family that I love them. My friend, that's where we come in. We're an independent agency. We don't work for some captive agency, but what we do is we come in and we work out the best policy for your need. In your time of need, we work out the best policy for you. We don't come in as a captive agency. What that means is we're not coming in and saying, you got to go with this one company, because we are a licensed agency and we find the best policy for the best price for you. You can reach out to us today at 850-253-7699. This is Harold, your independent agency for life, specializing in senior citizens life insurance. That's what we do, but we also can take care of mortgage protection, universal life protection, term life, even for young people. But our main thing is reach and helping senior citizens with final expense. Once again, the number is 850-253-7699, or you can check us out on Facebook at Harold Peterson. Go ahead. Thank you, and God bless, and you have a wonderful day. Take care of it today.